I was sent the soap and I'm obsessed with it. Okay, so I have this one wrapped up and ready to show you, but let me also show you what you get. So this is what it looks like before you unpackage it. And then you get this extra netting, and I just kind of cut a really big piece off and then wrapped the soap around it. But this thing's really a game changer. Okay, so this is wet. It's not totally soaked, but I'm gonna go ahead and put it on. And you can just see how fast it lathers. I use this in the shower. And I have some sunspots and some freckles, and my goal is to brighten my complexion and to fade them. And I feel like this is doing the trick. And with this netting around it, it is really exfoliating my skin and leaving it just so smooth and bright. And then you just rinse it off. So I have a towel here, a wet towel. And yes, it's a little bit redder because I did just scrub. But again, my goal is to kind of fade some of the sun damage that I have. So I've just been absolutely loving it. And I think you're gonna really, really love it too.